In this video, you're going to learn how to use the matrix speed bar. The matrix speed bar is located at the top of your screen, wherever you are in Crmls matrix. It provides a quick and easy way to search for all sorts of information in matrix by entering minimal criteria. We'll start by reviewing a few methods of searching for a listing. How to search by address. Simply enter the street number and name into the speed bar. Do not enter the street suffix. Once entered, either hit this or enter. On this screen, all the listings will appear that match your results. How to search by listing ID. Enter the MRLS listing ID number into the speed bar and hit enter to see your search results. How to search for listings using other methods. There are a number of other criteria you can use to search for a listing in the speed bar. If you click on the question mark to the right side of the speed bar, a window will open that will explain how to properly enter each criteria search method. How to search for other agents. If you scroll to the bottom of the window, you will see the code for agent search is AG. So we're going to enter AG into the speed bar. And then the agent's name and hit enter. This will show you all your results for the agent with the name John Smith. You now know how to use the matrix speed bar.